Bhakti Charu Swami has some importance because he is connected to Srila Prabhupada. And that is his importance. If he is not connected to Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Charu Swami will be another face in the crowd. And Bhakti Charu Swami has some importance because he is a part of ISKCON. You all are a part of ISKCON, and we are parts of ISKCON, and as a result of that, we have a relationship. So this is how we actually have to fully recognize the importance of Srila Prabhupada in our lives. Who is Srila Prabhupada? Let's not be sentimental. Let's be reasonable. Let's assess it properly with due analysis and reasoning. And when we do that, then immediately we get to see who Prabhupada is. Who has ever spread Krishna consciousness or any kind of doctrine all over the world in 10 years' time? Can you think of anybody who has so effectively has done that? Srila Prabhupada has done that. Who has written such volumes of books with such profound spiritual clarity? Srila Prabhupada. Like in all respects, we see that Srila Prabhupada is an unique personality. And with the passing of time, Srila Prabhupada's glory and Srila Prabhupada's greatness will become more and more obvious. A time will come when people will recognize fully how great Srila Prabhupada actually is. Today we are seeing the greatness of Jesus Christ. Just imagine what was the condition of Jesus when he was alive. They wanted to kill him. Then even after that, consider how Jesus was being seen. If anybody was found having any connection with Jesus Christ, they were persecuted, even killed. And it took 2000 years for the world to recognize Jesus the way they're recognizing him today. Give Srila Prabhupada 2000 years and you will see. So many people will come and go, but Srila Prabhupada's greatness will be shining forth. It's something like when you move away from a high mountain. When you're very close to a high mountain, you don't see the height of the mountain. You can't measure or you can't figure out the height of the mountain. Sometimes a small little hill will obscure the vision of the mountain. But when you move away, then what happens? All those small hills disappear, one after another. And then from a distance, you see the height of the mountain. So that is what will happen. So many people will come and go, and in course of time, they all will phase out. But Srila Prabhupada's greatness will become more and more prominent.